Okay, now real quick, I want to replace the email of this website. So it's called guelphmasonrypro@gmail.com. So this is the new email. I already replaced here. So email exists in every code form, right? So when you click this, there's an email here. So you want to go through all the code form and then replace the email. Let's see. Yeah, that's fine. So you just replace all the email here. Save. So every page has a code form, right? So you have to go to every page to change email. Okay. Let's see. Click the button. Okay. Let's change. Save. Okay. I'll do this whole thing. Okay. It's a short video, and that's it. Okay. So all the code form and the text on contact page. Okay. Don't forget. All right. And this.